Hi guys, my name is Rahul and today we are going to unbox the latest device from OPPO, the OPPO Reno 10X. This is the new flagship phone by OPPO. This is OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. Let's look into the cover first. It's a long cover and looks pretty cool and different. It's an ocean green model. It has 6 GB RAM and 20 GB internal storage and it is made in India. Let's see on the bottom there is more data. It has 48 MB, 8 MB plus 13 MB for, and a front 16 MB camera, 6.65 inches screen, and battery is 4065 mAh battery. The price is given as 42,000 or 41,999. So let's unbox this device. So this is the latest device from OPPO. The most important thing is that it has almost similar camera as the Huawei P30 Pro, which costs around 72,000, and this phone is priced starting at 40,000 for the 6 GB 128 GB variant, which is only available via Flipkart. And there is the 8 GB RAM 256 GB variant, which is costs around 50,000 and is available offline. So and it has jet black version and ocean green version of colors, and I have the ocean green version. I think for the price this looks really good because of the 5x optical lens it has, like the Huawei P30 Pro. So let's see what's inside the box and have an overview of the device. So first we have the paper pouch as usual, and then we have the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. Let me take it out of the box and keep it aside for a minute, or I will turn off the phone first. Okay, it's getting turned on, and okay, I will be setting it up. Then we can go dive more into the box to see what are the accessories inside the box. Okay, so first we have the cable here. I am probably assuming because it's a flagship phone and everything, it most probably will have a USB Type C cable, but let's peel the plastic off. Let's remove it from this. Okay, it's pretty tough. Yeah. Okay, so okay. Let me throw the plastic away. Okay, so it is protected by some rubbery thing. So remove it. So it is USB Type C and it has some kind of a green texture on it, and it's kind of cool. It's really cool. It looks really cool. So okay, let me close it and put it aside. So then we have the cover. So the cover looks really cool. It is soft inside and outside. It's little bit hard, so it will not be slippery if you use the cover, because the phone is glass. It most probably will be slippery. And this is the charging brick. This supports quick charging, the OPPO's proprietary charging quick charge solution. It has 5 watt 4 amp charger, and it's a made in India charger. It's a brick. You have to use the brick and the cable for the quick charge. Then there is earphones, which is a surprise because I am used to having no earphones out inside the box, so it's kind of a surprise. Let's remove it. It's also packed very well. So inside you can see that there are some extra ear tips for different sizes. You can see that, right? Then there is this. Let's see what's okay. Okay, you can see that it's a USB Type C earphones. So obviously you can guess that this does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Kind of disappointing. I like to have 3.5mm headphone jack, so that is that. There is no USB dongle, but at least they are giving us an earphone for use. The future is wireless, so everybody is moving on. It's kind of sad, but that's the truth. Hard truth. Okay, it's not as easy to close it. But then we have this SIM ejector tool, which is pretty common. So okay, so that's all we have inside the box. Let's okay. What I will do is I will just arrange this inside the box. Let me put it in. Okay, we didn't check out what's inside the paper pouch. Obviously, it will have some paper that we never read. Let's see what there's nothing inside there. Okay, so there's two. This is the quick shot guide, obviously. Then there is this safety guide. We are not going to read that. Let's put it inside and keep it away. So that's it. So I will do what I will do is I will just arrange this a little bit properly so that I could actually easily access everything. I'm sorry for being really slow, and if there is any kind of sound disturbances, I'm really sorry for that too, because there is some flats are building and there's lot of noise because of they are building these flats and everything. So sorry for any bit of sound disturbances. Excuse me for that. This earphone box is really tough to close. I don't know how to close it. Okay, finally we are done. So I will be removing the plastics first. Sweet sound of plastic. So okay, so I have seen lot of some unboxings and everything. I love this green color. I have seen the black, which is classy, but I really like this look. I really dig the color. So on the front we have a full screen display. It is 6.6-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display, and it has Corning Glass 6 protection. And on the side we have volume rocker keys, and on the top you can see that there is a mic. Then there is the the power button, and it has also has some green touch up which looks nice. On the bottom you can see that there is the sim hybrid sim slot and the USB type C port, and there is also extra mic, and there is a external speaker. And on the back you can see that the main 48 MB primary sensor f1.7 aperture, then there is a ultra wide 8 MB sensor with f 2.2, and there is the 5x telephoto, so periscope telephoto lens with 13 MB, and there is a branding also. So you can see that there is very little bezels around the phone, and there is no notch. I will get into why there is no notch for the phone. So let's go first. Let me go into the about section of the phone so that we can get more details about the phone. So it is OPPO Reno 10X, it has colors version 6 and 9, Android 9, 855 Snapdragon chipset, 6 GB RAM, 104 GB is available out of 128 GB, and that is that. Then we can go into the cameras, and I will show why there is no, it is a full screen display with very few pixels, and I will show you the front camera. It's a pretty cool trick. Boom. So it's a shark fin camera. It looks really cool. I mean, I really like it. It's pretty fast too. So Oppo is saying that it only takes 0.8 seconds, and they said that it can withstand up to 2 lakh times of lifting, and they are assuring us that it can stand a lot. It will not get a, I mean, it's a mechanical part, so there is always a chance of getting problems. So you can see there is a 16 MB front camera, there is also a flash, and there is a speaker or the earphone, whatever you can call it. So I'm happy with that, but my disappointment, the rear camera flash is also inside the shark fin. It's kind of disappointing. I didn't want that. So that's that. I will show how the zoom thing works. I mean, there is a 13 MB periscope telephoto lens light, so we will see how it works. I'll show you. So it's right now in the 1x mode, that is the 48 MB f1.7 aperture camera, the primary sensor. When I click, it goes to 2x digital zoom, obviously. Then we go 6x. It's not actually optical zoom, it's hybrid zoom. Then the 10x, that's also hybrid zoom. You have to pinch zoom, then only you can get the 5x zoom. Then that is the ultra wide camera, which is 8 MB 120-degree lens. So that is that about the camera. I will zoom out. So I will put up some samples and everything on the video so that you can actually see how these samples look. So let me put it inside the cover. Okay, that's that. Okay, the camera looks really cool. I mean, the phone already looks cool. Okay, I missed there is an in-display fingerprint sensor also. So that is that for the unboxing. Let's go into the camera samples and I will explain. So it is the ultra wide camera, that is a 8 MP 120 degree f 2.2 aperture camera. Then we go into the 48 MP 1x zoom camera. It's a 1.7 aperture. Then I pinch zoom and got the 5x telephoto lens to the proper quality. Then it is a 6x hybrid zoom. We have slight loss of details, but you cannot see really. Then there is a 10x hybrid zoom. Still the quality is really good. Then there is a gimmick 60x digital zoom. Then there is this selfies and everything. So that is that for this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Just see the camera samples, the video samples also. Hi, this is the front facing camera sample of OPPO Reno 10X. Hi, this is the rear facing camera sample of OPPO Reno 10X at 1080p.